If you're wondering how Housecall Pro Instant Payout Early works and how it can help streamline your business, you're in the right place. In this quick explanation, I'll walk you through what Housecall Pro is, how Instant Payout Early benefits you, and why it's a must-have tool for service professionals. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a special bonus that could save you time and money if you decide to give Housecall Pro a try. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software solution designed to help service businesses with scheduling, dispatching, payments, and customer management. Whether you're running a plumbing, HVAC, or cleaning business, this platform is designed to keep things organized and efficient, saving you from the headaches of manual processes. One standout feature of Housecall Pro is its Instant Payout Early option. With this feature, you can access your earnings immediately after completing a job instead of waiting for traditional payment cycles. This is a huge game changer for service professionals who rely on a quick cash flow to keep their business running smoothly. It allows you to get paid for your work in real time without delays. Whether you're dealing with unexpected expenses or simply need your earnings faster, this feature gives you the financial flexibility to operate without the typical payment waiting periods. Housecall Pro integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. As soon as you finish a job, you can issue invoices, collect payments, and instantly access your money, all from within the app. No more chasing down payments or waiting for checks to clear. And with their easy-to-use mobile app, you can manage everything from your phone while on the go. This is especially beneficial for field technicians who need to move quickly from one job to the next without having to deal with paperwork or complicated systems. What makes Housecall Pro truly valuable for service professionals is its comprehensive features. You get more than just payment processing. You can manage customer bookings, set reminders, track time, and even run marketing campaigns. It's essentially like having a personal assistant and business manager in one app, giving you more time to focus on delivering great service instead of getting bogged down by administrative tasks. And here's where it gets even better. If you're interested in trying out Housecall Pro, you can access the software for free through the first link below, plus some exclusive bonuses just for you. That means you can test out all the powerful features, including instant payout early, without any upfront cost. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of service professionals are already using Housecall Pro to run their businesses more efficiently and get paid faster. And with the Instant Payout Early feature, you can keep your business moving without having to worry about cash flow delays. To make sure you're getting the most out of this tool, remember that Housecall Pro offers a ton of educational resources and customer support to help you get started and make the most of all the features at your disposal. From tutorials to customer service reps who are always available, you'll never feel alone in your journey to running a more efficient business. So if you're ready to experience the benefits of Housecall Pro Instant Payout Early, don't wait. Click the link below to get started with an exclusive extended free trial and see for yourself how this tool can revolutionize the way you manage your service business. Make sure to take advantage of this limited time offer. Start using Housecall Pro today.